Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some vanilla sandwich cookies with a coffee and chocolate buttercream filling. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add in a pinch of salt and mix to combine. In a bowl, add in 4 ounces of butter, and mix until light and creamy. Add in 4 tablespoons of castor sugar, and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix to combine. Add in 1 cup of flour and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Tip the mixture out onto some cling wrap. And using the cling wrap and your hands, press the mixture together. Wrap up and place in the fridge for 20 minutes. Roll the dough out with a rolling pin. Cut into circles with a round cookie cutter. And place on a baking sheet. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Turn some of your cooled cookies around. In a bowl with 170 grams of softened butter, mix until the butter is pale in color. Add in 1 cup of icing sugar and mix until smooth. Add in 2 egg yolks and mix until well combined. Add in 1 tablespoon of espresso powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in a 1/3 cup of melted chocolate and mix until well combined. Add in a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and mix until well combined. Mix until smooth and creamy. I had some leftover frosting from my video where I made coconut cupcakes with a coffee and chocolate frosting. I'll link that video. Pipe some of the filling onto some biscuits. You can do this with a spoon as well. Sandwich 2 cookies together. Do this for all of them. Enjoy some vanilla sandwich cookies with a wonderfully rich chocolate and coffee filling.